Over the past year, we've seen a huge increase in the amount of stress we deal with on a daily basis. Clinical psychologist Dr. Kathleen Mojas is here to break down a unique stress buster that we can all try out. Welcome to the show, Dr. Mojas.
Thank you, Dr. Orton. Really happy to be here.
Well, let's talk tapping.
I'm so excited to talk tapping because in 30 years of practice, I discovered tapping 16 years ago, and I think it's one of the most effective self-help techniques I've ever discovered. So basically, it's a combination of Eastern Chinese medicine and Western psychology. Basically, it involves tapping on these certain acupressure points while you're focused in on anything that's upsetting you or stressing you. It actually helps to turn off the brain stress response.
Now, are the issues that an individual is targeting physical or emotional?
Actually, it works with both. I mean, I discovered it when I had a frozen shoulder, and this therapist said, hey, this works for physical and emotional issues. After 15 minutes, my frozen shoulder was gone. And I think basically we hold emotional stressors in our bodies and our musculature. And when we release that emotional stress, often our physiology improves and heals.
Did you say 15 minutes?
15 minutes. And I had a frozen shoulder for 2 years.
Do you think there's some sort of primal instinct that we may have, to just do that naturally?
Yes, I think you're absolutely right, because we naturally sort of soothe ourselves. We touch our face on these points all the time, and we don't realize we're doing it because we're self-soothing. And these points are more electrically conductive than other areas of your skin, and that's why they're relaxing. That's why they've been used in acupuncture for thousands of years. So first, you basically have to learn where the tapping points are. And then you focus on the issue that's bothering you. As long as you're tuned into the issue, you can't be thinking about your grocery list or something. You've got to be focused on what you want to heal, what's stressing you. You give it a number between 0 and 10, 0 being not upsetting at all, and 10 being I'm as disturbed as I can imagine. And then you just start tapping. It works best when you work on one issue and make it as specific as possible. My patients, they get the best results when they kind of talk to themselves about the issue. Like, I've had this pain in the neck for a while. It started when my mother-in-law came to visit, things like that. And if you just sort of physically tap as you're focused in on and sort of talking to yourself about what's bothering you.
I love the mother-in-law.
The global pandemic has changed our lives.
We've been through so much.
As vaccines roll out, there is hope for you and hope for the future.
I'm finally going to get my vaccine.
Through these challenging and historical times, the doctors have been by your side. This is why we went to medical school.
This is why we're here.
All May, we'll give you the inside track on health and wellness.
Today I've been granted exclusive access to get a behind-the-scenes look at COVID contraband,
so you can get back to the life you deserve.
We hope that today we inspired you all to be better, because we will get through this.
It's time to take your power back. It is getting better. There is hope.
Love it.
I think I can. I can get there.
You betcha.
Absolutely.
The doctor is now more than ever.